Looking to download files from Telegram using Internet Download Manager, but not sure how to get a direct link? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process for turning Telegram files into downloadable links you can easily use with IDM. By the end of this video, you'll be able to grab any file from your Telegram chats and download it quickly with Internet Download Manager, making your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive right into the process. First, open up Telegram and use the search function at the top. Type in Get Public Link Bot. Now, Telegram has tons of bots, but make sure you select the right one. It should look official and the name should match exactly. Once you found it, tap on it to open the chat. If this is your first time, you'll probably see a big blue Start button at the bottom. Go ahead and press Start. This just begins your interaction with the bot, and don't worry, it's totally safe and free to use. Okay, now the crucial part, getting your file ready to download. Go to the Telegram chat where your file is located. This could be a group, a channel, or a private message, anywhere you've received that document, video, or photo. Find the file you want and then click or tap the forward icon, which usually looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Forward this file to the Get Public Link Bots chat. What you're doing here is basically saying, "Hey bot, here's the file I need a public link for." This forwarding action is essential. Without it, the bot can't see or process your file. Once you forwarded the file, you'll see it appear in the chat with the bot. Next, look for a button or command that says Get Public Link. Depending on the bot's setup, it might look like a clickable button right below the file preview, or you might need to type a simple command depending on instructions from the bot. Go ahead and click or tap that Get Public Link button. The bot will usually respond pretty quickly, but if it's a large file or the server's busy, just hang tight. It might take a moment. After a short wait, the bot will reply with a link. This is your public download link. It's what IDM needs. Now copy this link. If you're on your computer, you can just right-click and copy it, or long press if you're on your phone. Then open up Internet Download Manager. In IDM, find the Add URL or Add New Download button at the top and paste in the link you just got from Telegram. Hit Start and IDM will begin downloading the file for you, fast and reliable, just the way you like it. And that's it. You've turned a Telegram file into a direct download with IDM in just a few steps. The key takeaway here is using the Get Public Link bot as a bridge between Telegram and your favorite download manager. If you ever get stuck, double-check that you're forwarding the file to the bot. Sometimes people accidentally send a message or a screenshot instead, and that won't work. Remember, if the bot seems slow, give it an extra minute, especially for giant video files. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.